Hey there friends, today we're doing a little review here, kind of checking out the Qoolife Submersible, if I can talk here, LED light. Alright, so what's different about this one than other ones, it has a built-in battery, which is charged with this USB cord. Alright, so the way you want to do this is basically, just plug in your USB into wherever, and then the other part goes right in there. It'll tell you when it's charging and when it's done. Alright, so let's turn this thing on and show you how it works here. Alright, turned on. It has a nice little ring here and a little weight also. I don't know if the weight comes out, I don't know. And a magnet here. So the ring, this is waterproof, so you can put it underwater if you want. Give some nice little ambiance to a bathtub or an outdoor thing, whatever. Just make sure it's on there plenty tight so water doesn't get in there. Now, another thing cool about this one, it's got an RF wireless remote, which I wish some of my actual TV remotes would have. So what's with this is you don't have to point it right. You don't have a line of sight. So some remotes, they use, what is it? Is it infrared maybe? Where it has to have line of sight to the object. If someone walks in front of you, you're trying to change your channel, it's not going to work or whatever. So this is cool. It's got a lot more range. You don't have to point it right at it. So I can be pointing, over here and change the light color. So that's a pretty cool feature. Now I'm going to check out the range on this thing. But as you can see on the remote, it has a ton of different options. So we got red, we got green, we got blue, green and blue, red and green, and red and blue. So we have all the different colors. You're seeing the flashing here. It can flash pretty much any color. Wait, is it only? Yeah, it flashes multiple colors here. You get a crossfade, which is going to go between different colors, which is kind of cool. Sparking just switches between the colors. Auto, that's kind of bright. And you have mix too. And on top of that, you can change it to whatever color you want. That. So it's pretty cool. The remote's really responsive. I'm going to check out the range on it and stuff and show you guys that also. So that's the things it can do. But waterproof, it's got a magnet under here, and we're going to show you pretty much stick it anywhere. So let's check that out. Alright, so here I'm in my clubhouse, and a metal beam there, I can stick it there. Let's see, I have a metal door here, stick it on there. How about a metal screw, stick it on there. Okay, so the weight, the magnet's strong enough to hold the weight of this thing, and you can pretty much anywhere you got a piece of metal, you can stick this thing on there. So it's pretty cool. It's also weighted, so it has that weight in there, as you saw as I unscrewed it. So it's going to sink to the bottom if you have it in water or something like that. Now I want to try to demonstrate just how far this thing can reach with the remote. So I'm going to go out a little ways, maybe out there by the garden, and try to change the lighting here. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, I'm all the way across my yard here, and you can see the little light right in there. I'm not even pointing it over there. I'm going to point it over here. Okay, and look, it's still changing it. So this thing's got an awesome range on it. And I'll show you how far away I am. I'm all the way across the yard of my backyard here. So it's pretty far, probably about 60 feet, and I'm not even pointing it at it. And it's changing the light, so I'm really impressed with the remote here. All right, here we are. We're underwater. Got it in my sink here, but as you can see, I got my remote. Still works. I can change the colors. So if you had this in a bathtub or something, it looks pretty cool. There's the different light spectrums. Another thing this is cool for is if your power goes out or something, It's always nice to have a little light around here, and I just want to demonstrate kind of how bright this one is here. So it definitely works underwater. And I'm in my bathroom here. You don't need a whole lot of light in your bathroom, but let's see. You can just see kind of how bright that is. So if I turn this to the white, puts out a good amount of light here. So you know, if the power does go out, and then you can stick it on different things. So you got enough light in this bathroom to be able to look around pretty good and not be in total darkness. So handy when the lights go out too. So, and your remote has awesome distance on here. So just a bunch of things this light can do. I'm pretty impressed with it. Let's move on to the final review. Thanks for watching this demonstration here. Alright, so kind of another cool feature here is the little suction cups here. And to put them in, this comes with 4 of them, but you only need 2, but they just slide in right here. On a little, there's little hooks right on each side, and the bottom of the suction cup has a little line there, a little groove. You just kind of slide it in there. Okay. Kind of like that. Okay, let's go stick it on some stuff, shall we? Here we are, stuck on a mirror. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the light out now that it's nighttime and show you how bright this thing is too. This is in my bigger bathroom, so turn the lights out. Alright, so there's that. Let's see where the white is. So as you can see, focus. Actually puts out a good amount of light there. I don't know why it's so blurry right now. There we go, it doesn't want to seem to focus. Light's like throwing it off there. There we go, in and out. Anyways, so there's that. It's throwing out some good light though. But we're, so it sticks on the mirror just fine. Also, if you're pushing it under there, sometimes you might need to use like maybe a little screwdriver just to, oh, that magnet is strong, just to push the bottom part of the thing in there, just of the suction cup in there, so make sure it's sturdy. So let's go see if we can stick it in the shower here. Cool, it sticks on the shower. Now this is just a regular painted door and it's sticking on there too, so pretty much anywhere you get a flat surface, it's going to stick on there. Alright, so final thoughts on the Qoolife submersible LED light with RF wireless remote. Definitely a cool little light. I like the fact that it doesn't have the batteries you don't have to change out. You just plug it into a USB and it's ready to go. With the magnet and the suction cups, you can pretty much put it anywhere you want. It's bright enough. Let me turn out the lights here. It's bright enough to kind of lighten up everything. Put it in in a pinch, if you got the power out, throw it in there. It throws out quite a bit of light, so as you saw in my earlier demonstration. So that's pretty cool. It's just a really versatile little light. It's waterproof. You can sink it to the bottom of your bathtub or wherever you want some mood lighting. Just pretty cool light for sure. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. This remote is actually quite amazing, as I demonstrated the distance factor, and you don't really have to point it at. I wish my TV remote was this good. Especially I have the first generation Apple TV, and trying to use that remote, you have to like sometimes get like line of sight on it, so pretty cool little light for sure. So I'll be linking this in the description below. Pick it up from Amazon, and yeah, so thanks for watching this review, everybody, and we'll have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.